Came in the island with a nice project. I tried to make a project with catamaran, with Armando Kitesurf School. He gave me the chance to bring catamaran here, and from Canada, I worked very, very, very hard to make that project possible. So I buy two catamaran and I put those catamaran in a container, and then I brought the catamaran from Canada to here in Aruba, and I worked very hard to fix the catamaran. And um, one day I go to the restaurant. 2 days ago I go to the restaurant at Palm Beach Plaza to Dragon Burgers. And when I finish my dinner with my dad, I come back to my Jeep and somebody steal my cell. And without my cell, they steal my cell. Um, the fin of the catamaran, it's like we call it dragon board. It's like a big fin for the catamaran and my stick controller. Without those things, I cannot drive. I cannot go make catamaran on the water, and I really need it to make catamaran. Um, so they steal my main cell, and I really want to find it back. And my message then I'm sorry about my English because I don't speak English so well. I'm a friend. I speak French. I try to speak English. So my thing is, the guys would steal my cell. Um, I want to I want to give them a rewards. I'm ready to give them a rewards. $500 for the guys who will bring my cells back, my sticks, my dragon board. Um, I will give you my phone number. My phone number is 699 5141, and my name is Patrick. Um, if you contact me, I have another phone number also. My friend's Omira. It's 594 5253, and her name is Omira. If you contact us, me or Patrick or Omira, we can find a way how to get my stuff and quiet. I don't want to make any trouble. I just want to get my stuff back. Um, it's a big project. It's my biggest project of my life. I do it with my art, and yes, it's terrible. It's terrible. I work very, very hard on that project. It's my dream to be here with my catamaran. I am a windsurfer, kite surfer, and I do a lot of catamaran. But make catamaran in a beautiful island like in Aruba, it's a dream. It's a dream for me to do it, and I do it 3 times. One times with my dad, one times with Umira, and 2 days ago I've been in the ocean with my catamaran with my dad, and we have a wonderful time with the fly fish come out of the water everywhere. I saw the turtle, and we celebrate that ride with my dad at the restaurant. And at the end, someone stole my cell. It's terrible. I just I just want to pass the message, and I ask the guys who take my cell, stole my cell, if he can only contact me. And believe me, I will never make any problem. I will give you the as $500. I don't mind if you can help you because you need money. I don't. It's no. Everybody needs money. I know. Um, I will give you by my heart. I will give you the money. No. I will not make any problem. We'll make an appointment somewhere. Exchange. I will give you the money. Give me my cell, please. Um, it's my